Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So glad you can join me today for a little while. Wyatt's with me. We are kicking off another What I Wore video. He is such a goofball. So it is Sunday morning and it's going to be a nicer day. I should say a warmer day. It's still going to be like wet and kind of rainy, but it's going to get up to 60 today, which is super nice in Pennsylvania. For some reason, we got cold weather really fast, so this is going to feel like like summer today, right, Wyatt? He's such a goofball. Anyway, yes, it's going to up to 60. It's probably still going to be rainy, but it'll be nice and warm. And my husband and I are headed off to my son's hockey game. He went home with a friend, so we'll see him there. I picked for today my cut from the cloth jeans I just got in my last Stitch Fix. It was the only item I kept from that box, but I love them. A sweater from 2 Stitch Fixes ago, which that one was a 5 for $5. And I have on these boots that are Treasure and Bond I got in a trunk club, which you guys are either going to love or hate. Wait till you see them. They're pretty funky. And my necklace is lucky. I can't remember where I got these earrings, but for some reason they're looking huge on me right now. And I think I'm just going to put on a cardigan so that I think I won't need it when I'm outside, but I'll need it for when I go in the rink, and a scarf as well. So let me share my outfit for Sunday. So this sweater has this cute little ties and grommets here, and my jeans have this nice little darker washed striping down the side, which I think is very cute. And I chose these very multicolored and a little bit crazy patterned boots that I got in a trunk club. So hopefully it's not too wet out because these are pretty much like a cloth patterned boot, but I like the chunky heel. They're Jeffrey Campbell, and he always does have some crazy patterned boots, but I liked these. They are very different. My husband looks at them and is like, what are those? But I like them. So, and then I just have this scarf that is blues. It's like a navy blue, and it also has some like a shimmer, like a goldish shimmer, which I thought went with the shoes as well as the stitching in the jeans here. And this very, very soft cardigan I got from the Loft, I think probably 2 years ago. But it's nice because it's stretchy, so it goes over sweaters really well for whenever I have to go in the rink. And it does have side pockets here, not patch pockets like normal. So this is going to be my outfit for Sunday. So I hope you'll have an awesome Sunday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Hi, it is Monday, and Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day. I have no idea where Xena went, but she apparently does not want to participate this morning. Do you know where she is? No? No. Okay. So it is about 40, going to be 45 today. So that's not too bad considering. And today I am wearing my Burgundy Born boots, a pair of jeans I got at the Loft, and a mixed media top that I also got at the Loft, as well as my jacket is from the Loft. So it's a Loft kind of day, I guess. And my necklace, I think, is from Express. And this top is very cute. It's like usually you get the silky part in the front and the cottony part in the back, and this is the reverse. So the cotton V-neck is the front, and the back is actually the silky material. And actually, what you guys can't see the sleeves, but the sleeves are a blouse sleeve, and they're silky, and it buttons at the wrist. So anyway, and I think when I go outside, I have a scarf to put on, and that's my outfit for Monday. So let me share. So this is the blouse. You guys can see the difference here in the 2 fabrics. I like that it has the, that it has the 2 different fabrics as well as the little notched hem here. So, and this is just my necklace, which just has the two-toned metals. And this is just a corduroy pale pink jacket that I kept, and I picked it because it would be a little bit thicker for today. And my jeans have like a patchy, stitched distressing, but no actual holes. And I'm wearing my Born boots again because they have these little ties because they are burgundy. And I love these boots. And when I go outside, I do have a scarf to put on. I'm choking myself here. Just for a little bit of added warmth here. There we go, I think. Hopefully that looks all right. So this is my outfit for Monday. I don't know where the weekend went, but it went by way, way too fast. So I hope you all have an awesome Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday, and Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day. So it is, it's cold. It's like 40, low 40s. And today I decided to wear a pair of Liverpool jeans, a pair of soft black booties, you know, the brand Soft. And I do like those boots. They are comfortable for some reason, and I find that lately they've been pretty stylish, so I like them. And I have this bright pink sweater on from Hollister that I got last year, and I don't normally shop that store, but my son likes to go in there, and I found it when I was shopping with him one day last year. And I'm going to wear my coat that I just got from the Loft. And I do have a black tank on under here just because I feel like it might be a little bit low and it has like holes, but it's not as see-through as I was afraid it was going to be. So that's my outfit for Tuesday. Hope everyone's doing well this week, and Wyatt's awake, but that's probably because I'm shaking him around to keep him awake. So let me share my outfit for Tuesday. So these jeans are very comfortable, and they have a little bit of distressing here in the knee, a little bit here at the top. They are cuffed so that they're right above my boots that I decided to wear today. I like these because they have a nice chunky heel, so I feel like I have a little bit of height today. And the sweater's a little bit longer in the back than in the front, a little bit of the notch cut out, and just a basic loose fitting soft sweater. I think I liked it because of how bright the color is. And this is just a super soft, cozy Sherpa coat for today. So I think this is my outfit. All right. So I hope you are all having a great week so far, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday, and Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day. Zena is in her crate and has neglected to even tell me she wasn't interested in joining us. She just disappeared. So we will leave her alone for this morning. It is a cold and snowy day in PA. So I have on a pair of UGG high boots and a top I got from Buckle. It's just a soft, long sleeve tee, basically, but it has this little bit of, I don't know, what do you want to call this? Fancy stuff at the top, because I can't think this morning. And I'm wearing my two-tone cardigan from my red dress boutique haul for today. I'm working, and then my friend and I are going to go to dinner and hit the mall. And I don't want to wear anything too heavy because when I go in the mall, then I feel like I'm going to die because it's too warm. And I do have this super silky and shiny little scarf I'm going to put on in case I do get cold. That way I can take it off if I'm too warm. So that's my outfit for Wednesday. Let me share. So, like I said, this is basically just a t-shirt. So it's that kind of material, but it is long sleeved. And it kind of pulls the browns and the brown from this sweater as well as the camel from my boots. So I kind of think these all go together, but yet it has some color in it. And it also has this, the t-shirt type bottom to it. And then has this fancy little, what is this? I cannot think today. The back has all this fancy detailing in it too. And then I can wear this scarf if I feel like I'm going to be cold, and I think still show this little detail here at the top. So I think this is going to be my outfit for the day. You can see these boots are kind of cute in the back with this little notch, and they also have a little bit of a two-tone effect too that matches my sweater. But I really love these. They have a wedge heel. They're super warm and not the typical UGG looking boot, but I know they will keep you warm. So this is my outfit for Wednesday. Hope everyone has an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi everybody, Wyatt and I are here for outfit of the day for Thursday. Zena has declined to join us. She needs her morning quiet time. So it's a cold, snowy day in PA, and today I am wearing my black on black leopard designed loft jeans that I got in my last haul, and a pair of Sam Edelman booties. I have on one of those eyelash sweaters from Target, which I'll put the link down below in case you guys want to check these out. I'm really loving these. This is the V-neck design instead of the crew neck, which I had shown in one of my hauls. So this one's different. I do have a tank underneath it just because it is a little bit of a lower V-neck. I have on, yeah, my tank is from Halogen at Nordstrom, which I love those because they're super long. And I think I might just put on we have to go to my son's hockey game tonight. I think I just might put on my moto jacket from my coat, the moto coat that I got in my last, one of my last loft hauls. I think it was two hauls ago. And the sound of my voice is putting Wyatt to sleep as usual. And the sun's coming out. All right, so let me show you my outfit for the day. Hopefully the sun won't get in the way, which looks like it really is. All right, so this is that little eyelash sweater in this very pretty cobalt blue. It's so soft. It has a nice pretty V in this one. And now that I had to close the window, I don't know if you guys can see, but these jeans have that black on black, a little bit of a leopard print design, but I love how subtle it is. And I just have on these Sam Edelman booties that I really like. I just got this year from Nordstrom. And I have, I think for today, sometimes when I'm home and I get cold, I'll put on one of these. This is an Old Navy blanket scarf, which I showed in one of my previous videos. And I'll just wear these around the house sometimes whenever I'm cold as just a regular little wrap. And this color, I like this one because it has the black in it and the blues that match so well. And then whenever I leave today, I can just wear it as a scarf and put on my moto coat to go to the ice rink tonight. So I do love these kind of scarves. I wear them to travel a lot because I like to wear them as a blanket on the plane or when you're in the car because they're nice. And then you can also wear it as a scarf, so it serves as a dual purpose. So I hope everyone has an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow for Friday. Bye. Hi, everybody. It is Friday. Zena is joining me for what I wore, outfit of the day for Friday. Wyatt's here too. Can you say hi? You want to say hi to everybody? Can you say hi? Say hi. Yeah. So it is a snowy day in PA today. It's cold. I think it's going to be, let's see, a high of 31. Isn't that lovely? And for today, Zena's heading for the treats. That's what she's pointing in this direction for. So for today, I have on a pair of Free People denim leggings, a pair of lucky booties that are in a silvery pewter color, a sweater, and I love this. It's a lace-up sweater, but I love how there's no loose hanging strings, so I love that part. And this sweater is from American Eagle, and I got it last year. And a tank from Kohl's, And I haven't decided on what coat I'm going to wear. I will have to wear a coat. I have a scarf I'm going to put on. I will share with you in case I get cold. Yeah. Yep. She's like, bring on the treats. What is this? I'm so close. Like literally they're right here. Her bark box treats are right here. Now see, now they're both interested. So now I have to give them treats. Okay, so I will share my outfit of the day for Friday after I give them treats. Sorry for the delay. All right, treat over here. Did Wyatt get both of those? That's not fair. Zena, you're not paying attention. Come over here. Okay, Zena's totally not paying attention. All right. So this is my sweater. It has a little bit of a wider sleeve here. But I think it's cute. It has a wider bottom too, but not too bad. So it has a tunic length. And I have it on with these Free People leggings, which do actually have a raw hem at the bottom. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, with these lucky booties, which have this nice pewter color to them. And they actually have zippers on both the inside and the outside, which I see I didn't even zip this up. So there you go. But zippers on the inside and the outside. And I like them because they have that nice shiny look to them instead of it being a matte look. And this is my scarf. So in case I get cold, I can wear this and then just put my coat on. So this is my outfit for Friday. All right, I think now I'm put together. Am I put together? Are you happy now? I hope you guys all have an awesome Friday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. I am here for outfit of the day. I have both sleepy sidekicks for Saturday. So I normally do that first thing in the morning, but today this has been a crazy day. Huh, Zena? Yes, it's been a crazy day. So I'm catching it in the evening. I'm on my way back out the door again. Been running errands. It's a 20-degree day outside, super cold. And I have on a pair of like a camo gray jean from Mix and Match. I have on, Zena's leaving, Wyatt's leaving. Okay. I have on booties that are Dolce Vita that I got at Nordstrom Rack. A sweater from the Loft, and I wore my Loft coat today I've been wearing around. Look at Zena. She wants treats like now. You're going to have to wait a minute. You're going to have to wait. Yes. So this is my outfit for Saturday. This is a very super soft, cute little sweater with a little notches here on the side. Probably a tunic length, I guess. Sweater. These are a little bit of a distressed jean with a raw hem that I got in a Mix and Match. And these little booties have the cute little zipper in the back. Yeah, from Nordstrom Rack. Simple outfit, nice and cozy and warm and easy for today. And this is my coat that I got at the Loft, one of their 50% off sales, that I like because it's nice and heavy for warmth, but not bulky for riding in the car all day. So, it's my outfit for Saturday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Zena's ready for her treats. So I'm going to have to pay up, I guess. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider hitting that like button so I know you guys are enjoying these videos. Hit the subscribe button and show me some support. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so very much. From me and my little sidekicks here, we so appreciate all your support. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye, everybody.